So this is our room. It's 6274. We're on the 6th floor. We got our key to open the door, and in we go to our superior lake view room. So as you come in to the right, you've got the toilet area and washing area, sink, mirror, a couple of glasses. You've also got a Clayton there, hello, and also this very old-fashioned hairdryer. A couple of towels, and spin it around to the left. You got the safe, loads of hangers. Also got an ironing board there, not that that's going to get used much. I think up there is a travel cot as well. Yeah, that's a travel cot. And then here you have got the shower and bath. Not a massive bath, but it will do. You also get the complimentary bath and shower gel. You've also got on the wall there, I think that's another shampoo and gel. So you've got the shower there, you can adjust the height of that and fix it. You've got like a little seat there, you can get yourself ready if you want, I guess, before going in the shower. And then you've got the obligatory toilet, which is there. And you've got this curtain as well, which you can pull aside for some privacy, which kind of cuts you off from the rest of the room. And then you've got a full-length mirror as well if you want to check yourself out. Hello. And then we have got this into the main bedroom area. And because this is a superior lake view room, Pippa is hiding behind them. You're reading the paper. We have got an end of wing room, if you like. We're on the 6th floor, and we've got 2 windows, and we've got some cracking views. I mean, you got a brilliant view of the lake, and also you'll get to see the fireworks from there. I'll show you this one as well. I mean, look at that view. It's a bit misty today. It is winter, so to be expected. But yeah, brilliant views. Nice windows as well. They open up fully, so you can open it like that, and the other window opens outwards. So you could get a lot of fresh air in here, which is nice. There's that view again. Down there is the back of the hotel. And then just a little show around the room, just to show you what's on offer. So you've got a coffee facility there, coffee making lavazza with some cups and some pods. You've also got a nice little desk that it sits on with like a pod chair. Another mirror there so you can get yourself ready. Some complimentary water, 2 bottles there. You can request more each day. And then you've got another unit here with a kettle on, and it's not a massive telly, but it's big enough. It's probably about 24 inch, something like that. And you've got some drawers there as well to store all your bits and bobs in. I won't bother opening them, you know what a drawer is. And then we've got 2, are they king size beds or are they queen size beds?
They're kings, aren't they?
Yeah. But they're very comfortable. We stayed here before. There's Erin there. Very comfortable. As far as outlets go, you have got a UK plug as well as the European plug sockets. Unfortunately, there's no USB, so you will need to bring USB charging plugs. We did bring a Chromecast, as it does work with the tellies, as long as you tap into the Wi-Fi or you've got a roaming package from the UK or from wherever you are. That does work very well. We've used that before. Got another little pod chair there. There is another secret compartment to this drawer unit thing, and if you open that out, you've got, I think there's another socket in there as well. Yeah.
I think that's where the coffee machine used to be.
Yeah, coffee machine might have gone in there. And just a view from the other side of the room. There's Erin just laying there on her phone as usual. So yeah, nice. Very, very pleased with this room. Again, that view is absolutely stunning. Very happy. But that is our superior lake view room. Well worth it. A little bit extra, but yeah, really nice. Thanks for watching.